What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to say a happy new year to each and every one of us watching this video. I pray that this year shall be a successful year for each and every one of us, and I pray that our set goal shall be accomplished this year. Amen. This is my first YouTube channel and my first YouTube video, and in this channel I'll be posting more of forest related content. I'll be doing vlogs, and I'll also be trading live here on YouTube. I'll be documenting my journey of becoming a successful trader here on YouTube, because that's my main purpose of creating this channel, to document my journey of becoming a successful trader here on YouTube. If this is what you are interested in, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn up your post notifications so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. And also, in this video, I want to show you how I spent my life in the village, because I travel for the Christmas holidays, so I'm just coming back. So I just want to show you how I spend my life in the village within the few weeks, or if a week, yeah, not few weeks, a week, yes. So I want to show you guys how I spend my life in the village, how I enjoyed my village. I hope you guys traveled. Yeah, if you didn't enjoy this one I'm gonna post, yes, please remember to subscribe. Please subscribe and press that like button, please, guys. Enjoy. Yeah, it was day one. I was on my way going to the village. Yes, me and my sister was going together. So this is me recording when I was in the road. Yes, yeah, the car was not fast though, but it was there. Yeah, so I decided to film my hometown. See trees, wow, very clean and nice. So I decided to go inside to see how the inside is. Yeah, I went inside the parlor. Here is my odogus. Yeah, I see my brothers there enjoying life. Yeah, the parlor was neat, so I decided to go and check other places. Yeah, I was going. Yeah, a very big compound, very big and nice. That's the backyard I'm going to now. So I went to the backyard to see my mom. My mom was in the kitchen although, so I decided to go and see her. I was going there. Very big compound. Yeah, that's my mom. Yeah, that's my mom in the kitchen cooking for us. I came back just now. I'm now all dressed up now. I was feeling myself. It was time to go and see my maternal grandma at the village. Yeah. I was carrying a whole bag of, no, okay, then say a half bag of gari or be rice. I can't remember again. I was carrying it. Yeah, see my brothers. Yeah, the Odogu brothers in the front. Yeah. We're going to see my maternal grandma. Finally at her place now. Yeah, see her there. Finally at her home now. It was time for the Odogus to come and dance. The mouse was happy. She was dancing. Actually, even though she was having leg pains, but she forgot about everything. She kept dancing. Odogu junior brother was playing harmony. My mom was back there dancing. The Odogu himself brought out the wrappers to give it to her. Everything was soft. See money. Big guys. Yeah, we went to my auntie's place. She built a new house. That's the house. So we went to celebrate with her for the house opening. It was a good occasion though. That's my mom's friend, and my mom also. That's my sister's here. Yeah, so we are there. We enjoyed ourselves. Also show you the masquerade I came. Yeah, this is me. That's my word. That's my humble self. Yeah, this is the masquerade, but off the camera because it's such off the camera. So after several days in the village, it was time to travel back. Yeah, that was the packing. That was our luggage. These my friends in the village, my brothers, my sister, my mom. Yeah, so we keep packing and tying all our loads. Yeah, so this is me taking myself too. We're also packing. Yeah, so finally we're on the bus traveling back to my they say the city. Traveling back to the city. That's my brother said. Yes, the Odogu brother. So yes, this him. So I'll catch you guys when I reach my house in the city. Catch you guys. Yeah. And here am I in Enugu. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified when I post my next video. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Love you guys.